there's this store, one store close by my house, which is called it's a cheese store that like has it.
Where do you live in Toronto?
First of all, let me toast. Salute to everyone. So I got a food, I got special friends with us, and I got a beautiful view. Rosella, please display the beautiful view of Ragusa.
You're right about watching
We secured the best weather for them, of course.
I think we brought it from Toronto.
This is the result.
Charged us extra for that.
Yeah,
Extra payment.
yeah.
Last time that I should move. Yeah.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers and happy Saturday from Sicily, from Ragusa Ibla.
Salute. There's something special that I never mentioned enough. If you book a tour of Sicily with us, we always guarantee the best weather. So take a look at this beautiful landscape behind us, the beautiful Ragusa Superiore, Upper Ragusa. You know, Ragusa is a double town divided into Ragusa Superiore and Ragusa Ibla. We are now in Ragusa Ibla, but we are facing Ragusa Superiore, the Upper Ragusa. Let me display again.
And we are enjoying the lunch in this terrace, enjoying this beautiful view. What do you want more? Great food, great wine, and great view.
And beautiful people from Canada. They are enjoying a great tour of Sicily with us. Let me display the valley of Ragusa. Oh, look at that. That is the Dome of St. George, the cathedral in Ragusa, Ragusa Ibla. Ciao Dana, how are you? Did you get home? Ciao Susan, hello everyone. So Rosella, are you happy?
I'm happy, and I was adopted by Canadians. Look at this.
Mettiti al sole? No, al contrario. Ok, stai ferma. No, alza il collo. Ok, don't move. Oh, so we are proud Canadians now.
Also you, yeah.
Also me.
And whereas we spend a great morning in Ragusa, we enjoying a cooking chocolate show, and of course we test chocolate with many flowers, and was an authentic experience because we visit a wonderful chocolate maker that still respects the original recipe. And now we arrived in Ragusa Ibla to enjoy the lunch, the walking tour, and in the afternoon we will visit Noto to enjoy the Baroque town and also a granita with brioche. That's our day.
Let me explain. We are touring from Syracuse. So Syracuse is our home base. But usually in our tours of Sicily, we used to stay in Ragusa. So Ragusa can easily be a home base to explore the southeast of Sicily. And and so the driving time can be the less possible to give you a very, very relaxing experience. And what else?
We love this town, so it's, if you have enough time, is included, of course, in our tours of Sicily.
Such as in the Sicily Lovers tours.
We spent 2 nights here.
Yeah, we will spend the it will be the fourth home base during the Sicily Lovers tour, before reaching the north, or no, before reaching Syracuse.
Yes.
And so,
But also during a private tour of Sicily,
Yeah.
of course, we suggest you to include this town as your home base.
yeah, it's very enjoyable. Never crowded, but always very enjoyable night and day. You can stroll on your own. You can have shopping. You can lose yourself in the beautiful narrow streets and take the opportunity to take some beautiful pictures, because it's beautiful.
It's a postcard.
Yeah, it's like a postcard, and of course, it can miss in your tours of Sicily. So if you trust us, choose Ragusa as an home base, and you can explore the beautiful Baroque villages in this area. I would like to remind you that this is a beautiful region, a beautiful area of Sicily.
Yeah. A UNESCO site.
Where you can find different UNESCO sites, because not only Ragusa, but also Modica, also Sicily, also Noto, they are all UNESCO sites. All beautiful Baroque villages, you know, the Baroque architecture from the late 1600, early 1700 is amazing. Not necessary if you are not church enthusiast. Don't worry, you can discover such a beautiful palazzo, beautiful buildings from the 1700s.
Beautiful balconies.
Balconies are amazing, with the masks, you know, the mascheroni, with the funny faces that draw the people attention, and we used to say they keep the bad spirits away. They are very funny. If you stroll in Ragusa, in Noto, in Sicily, in those villages, you can see a lot of balconies full of masks. So very, very funny faces in the balconies, carved in the stone. They are wonderful. And so.
And it's time to eat. They are eating, so it's also our turn to eat.
Yeah, we left our clients alone. This is not correct. But it was the opportunity to show you a beautiful, beautiful location. Now we start over. We go to the table, and because I think they
show again the table, Gianca.
They are still enjoying the starter.
Yes.
But we are expecting the pasta, the main course.
Yeah, we are expecting pasta with ricotta and pork ragu.
Yeah, and we are enjoying the red wine from this area. Salute, cheers. So, I give you the camera.
Yeah.
Would you like to switch?
Look how beautiful is the table. A table with this. Imagine yourself having a lunch overlooking this beautiful view. If you want to join us, visit our website bestthingsToDoInSicily.com.
I think there are some people who are watching us that they will join the next tour of Sicily with us on June. I mean the Sicily Lovers Tour 2022 from June 4th to June 15th. This is already sold out, so
be ready to enjoy this beautiful view, guys.
Perhaps lit storm.
Yeah.
Perhaps
Pollucido, Scalisi,
they are watching us. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure.
So we can wait to hug you in June.
But for the others, for those didn't book the tour of Sicily with us, I would like to remind you once again that we can provide you, we have no limits, we can provide you private tours of Sicily all year round, but there is already the possibility, the opportunity to book the Sicily Lovers Tour 2023 next May 29th from June 10th, 2023. There are we have already sold the 50% of the of the spots. I'm not joking, guys, but I know people want to work in advance,
Yes.
to secure in advance the spots. So
Because it's reserved for only 20 people. So
I would like to congratulate to Mr. Robert Rans and
Their friends.
his group of friends. They are already 6 people who secured the Sicily Lovers Tour 2023. So I think
Amazing.
we miss. There are still about 10. 12 available spots, so you can book right now.
best things to do in Sicily.com. And now it's time to say bye-bye,
Yeah.
Gianca. Come this way. So, together.
Love, hugs, and kisses
from Sicily.
from Sicily. Cheers!
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.